And Sakura.
Sakura.
It's a
Oh,
mistake that commits other mistakes. Tell me
yeah.
one useful thing Sakura has done.
Dude, I agree with you. Sakura has made a lot of mistakes. She's a mistake
Sakura
who's
is a
made a lot of
mistake.
mistakes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
And
The
yeah,
only thing you can tell for Sakura is that she helped Chio beat Sasori.
well, no, Chio helped
Without
her beat
Sakura,
Sasori. I would say Chio
yeah,
helped her
but
beat
without
Sasori.
no. Here's the thing. Without Sakura, Chio might have still beat Sasori, but with
Yeah.
Sakura, she definitely could beat him.
But if there was another character, if there was like a wooden dummy in place of Sakura, who Chio could control and
Same
kill
purpose.
Sasori.
Same purpose.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying.
What really pisses me off about Sakura is that in the final war, right? She gets Tsunade's healing
Oh yeah,
thingy.
yeah,
I
yeah,
forgot
that's true.
what
The
I
bindi,
forgot
as
the
we call
term
it
for
here.
it. Yeah, that's the forehead mark, and it disappears, and she starts healing herself like crazy while fighting Madara, and she looks up to the backs of Naruto and Sasuke, and she's like, "Finally, I have reached the level of these two." And I was just sitting there like, "No, you haven't! Oh my God, you haven't done shit!" Because she's just there. She's just there.
Yeah, that's true.
She falls unconscious. Kakashi and Naruto have to save her. Sasuke was trying to throw her into lava. So I don't even know what purpose she
Nothing.
served there.
She was just there.
Through the entire show, she has done nothing.
Dude, she was probably like, I have survived, I have made it to the war, I am standing here, and I finally got one small power up, which was my ultimate goal. So I have reached that level.
Yeah, basically.
Yeah,
I
basically.
mean, they try to show her as the new generation of the three Sanin.
Yeah, yeah, correct.
I just say three Sanin. Yeah, but anyway,
Hmm.
Sanin, and she just doesn't fit the bill. I think Tsunade is a great character. And okay, if anyone is listening to this and think we're sexist or something, it's not about that. Okay, it's not about.
Yeah, it's not
doesn't
about
matter
that
what
at all.
gender she is. Sakura is just a useless character. I think
100%.
Ino is amazing.
You know,
I think
Hinata is
Tsunade
amazing.
Hinata
Yeah.
is amazing. Yeah, like Hinata had the guts to jump in front of the strongest path of pain and still fight him, knowing
I
she was
know,
going to
right?
lose. Also, that
Holy
Naruto
shit.
could be saved.
Exactly.
And Sakura, on the other hand, goes to Naruto and says, "Naruto, please fight Sasuke for me, please."
Yeah, dude. She's totally
That
useless.
is, and then we can go to the mistake that Sasuke made where he married her.
Yeah. Oh my
I
god.
legitimately did not see that coming. I was like, he's gone. He's out of the village.
Yeah.
For most of the year, you have a daughter who you're taking care of. By the way, daughter useless because she needs to wear glasses. With
Needs
the
to wear
Sharingan.
glasses, yeah. No, but the thing is, like, Sasuke never really liked her too, right? She was always like simping for him.
That's true.
Yeah.
She was always simping, yes.
Hmm.
But why would you? So if you knew someone was obsessed with you and you were anyway going to be out of the village for most of the year, why would you marry her and then go out of the village? It makes no sense.
Yeah, no
That is
idea.
another mistake Sasuke made. I don't like Sasuke in general in the first place, and this just made me like him lesser.
Yeah, dude, I don't know. Sasuke did make a lot of mistakes. His first mistake was leaving the village.
Yeah, leaving the village indeed was definitely a mistake.
Yeah.
And we can talk about how much of a mistake it was that Naruto ran after him for years upon
Oh
years
my
upon
god,
years.
yeah, dude. Holy shit. It's like, please come back to me. Please come back to me.
Yeah,
He wouldn't give up. Holy shit.
and he didn't even care about the other things he did. Like, just think about it. Okay, after coming back to the Leaf Village,
Yeah.
Naruto and his team at least, they took out the majority of the Akatsuki. It was supposed to be the strongest terrorist organization that made nations quiver in front of them. And they walked up to those guys and beat the hell out of them.
Yeah.
Every other village just lost.
Just lost. Yeah.
And the Leaf Village went and literally destroyed all of them. Take a look. Sasori, Leaf Village.
Oh.
Deidara, Sasuke, Leaf Village. You have Pain, Leaf
Pain,
Village.
yeah.
Hidan Kakuzu,
Hidan
Leaf
Kakuzu,
Village.
of course.
And you have Kisame who killed himself, but Naruto was basically beating the shit out of him
Yeah.
with his power-ups
Exactly.
at that point.
No, it was all.
So
It
all
was designed that way, of course, to show that these guys are strong. But yeah, definitely, you're right there.
Yeah, but then it makes it seem like the other villages are useless.
Yeah, they are pretty. But they try to show these cool characters like, oh look, you're so strong. Like, of course, Gara is pretty strong. I'm not talking about like, but like even
Gaara
like
is pretty
they show
strong.
like the Mizukage and like the Kage of the Earth who can basically break you down into atoms.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
even though. How, like these people are so strong, like how did they not do even the Raikage dude? Holy shit, that guy! What?
Yeah, Raikage he's just OP.
Yeah, did he just make
just
it that
crazy
somehow
OP.
it's like luck so that the Akatsuki only came towards the Leaf Village and didn't go anywhere else because they thought these guys are like weak or something? I don't think so.
Yeah, because everyone was against the Akatsuki in the end. Even though they hired them in the wars and shit.
Yeah.
They were against the Akatsuki. So if they wanted to, they could have taken them down probably. Maybe they were just like, I'll just get someone else to do it. I don't want to do it myself.
I know, right?
But I don't know. It was a mistake of. There were a lot of mistakes in Naruto as well, but at least the mistakes don't run the narrative like it does in some other shows.
Yeah, that's true.